Hey guys, it's Tori, and today I'm doing a haul, which I haven't done in a really long time, but it's also like an unboxing haul, so it's also the first time I'm seeing all of these products too. And Ulta was kind enough to send me an entire bag full of products for the springtime, and they're all super fun, super colorful, and Ulta is releasing all of these products in the spring, which I am really excited to go check out even more of these products because where I am it's like -2 degrees and today was like 5 degrees. So I'm really ready for the springtime. And if you guys don't know what Ulta is, it's basically like a one-stop shop for all things beauty. They sell makeup, hair products, they sell skincare, pretty much anything you guys need at Ulta is there. So once again, thanks so much Ulta for this, and let's just get right on into it. Alright, so the first thing that I see is this big box of what looks like Illumask, or Illumask, maybe I said that wrong, I think I said it the same just twice. And this is an anti-acne light therapy mask, and it's the exact same treatment that they do at a dermatologist's office, and now you can get it for $30 at Ulta, which is awesome. I'm going to leave a link to all these products down below if you guys want to check that out. I also have like a lot of other fun links down there if you guys want to see it. Alright, so there is so much in here, so I'm just going to start pulling things out of pockets, and this was in one of the pockets. So the first one is a melted lipstick by Too Faced, and I have one of these other colors, and it is like my favorite lip product ever. So I'm really excited to see what this color looks like. And this one is in the shade Melted Chihuahua, I think, and let's see. So this is like a mauvey brown pinky shade. It's like I could use it in my Kylie Jenner lip tutorial. That would have been perfect to use for it. So this is a awesome product that's coming out in the springtime. If you guys like melted lip products, there's a new one coming out, and I assume there's more than one. And then this is the Ulta Lip and Cheek Color Stick in the shade Peachy. And these are awesome because a lot of times I like having my lips and my cheeks match, so when you have a stick like this that can make them both match, that's really awesome. So the next thing that I see is the Biore Pore Penetrating Charcoal Bar. Basically what it does is like a bar of charcoal, and I'm assuming that you just, you know, clean it and then it penetrates deep into the pores to clean everything out. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm always looking for new skincare products, so keep you guys an update on that one too. I then see two Indeed Laboratory products, and the first one is a moisture jelly and the other one is a moisture serum. Now having a moisturizer and a serum is really important for your skincare routine, so I'm really anxious to try these out. I'm going to have links to them down below, like everything else. I got a new mascara from Benefit, and this is the Roller Lash Mascara. I've heard so many like good teasers about this mascara, and it's supposed to be like the next big mascara to hit the market, so I'm really excited to try it. I don't know how to open it. Okay. It's really cute. Oh, it looks, is it supposed to look like, yeah, it's supposed to look like a curling iron. I could do this all day.
Wow, that really worked.
Can you tell the difference? I'm excited. I'm really excited to try this, and I like the packaging a lot. Feel the packaging.
Well,
I also got a Wonder Stick, and this is by NYX. I'm super excited to try this out because it has a highlight and a contour. And recently I've been loving contour and highlight. I'm going to have the tutorial coming soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that. You got a highlight on one side, and then it has a contour on the other side, so I'm really excited to try this out. This will probably be in like a tutorial, probably for like a prom tutorial or something, so also let me know in the comments what kind of prom videos you guys want to see, or like tweet me pictures on Twitter or Tumblr or anything really of prom makeup that you guys want, and I can definitely recreate some. So I see a bunch of lip products, and I love lip products. So I see this one by NYX. It's their Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Chocolate Crepe. Oh, this, like, I'm going to do a Rihanna tutorial soon, so stay tuned for that. And I think this is like the perfect lip color for it. Here are two more NYX lipsticks. These are their high voltage lipsticks. I've never heard of these. I'm assuming they're new products coming out this spring. One is in the shade, I guess number 10. Oh, Sweet 16. And then, that's such a cute name. And then this one is in Feline. I know, but like Rihanna, like she's like a bad feline. And then it looks like Ulta also released lip products, and this is their matte lip cream. One is in the shade Elusive and the other one is in Stirring. I'm running out of battery. I see two Redken hair products. So this one is the Extreme Length Primer. This is supposedly a rinse-off treatment for distressed hair. Awesome. And then this one is the Extreme Length Sealer for split end treatment. Thank God, because I am actually coloring my hair very soon. By the time you guys will watch this video, if you are on my Instagram, you'll see that I already have a different hair color. So I'm definitely going to need this to help with that damage from bleaching your hair. Oh, there's two more bigger products. So this is the Half Macadamia Oil Shampoo and the Macadamia Oil Conditioner. Both at Ulta. I'm really excited to try these. Probably going to try them in my shower tomorrow morning. Let's try it. Then I see two body products. This one is a shower gel and this one is a lotion. They are both by Ulta and they are Peach Nectar, and I love peach. And then the last thing that I see in the bag is a full palette from Cargo, and this is the Essentials palette, and it includes 12 eyeshadows, an eye pencil, and a shadow brush. I'm anxious to see this. And the packaging is really, 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 really cute. Don't throw scissors. Ooh, I feel like I'm really gonna like this palette. Oh, yep, I'm really gonna like it. It looks like they are all matte except for 4 colors. So you get all of these eyeshadows. Oh! Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's see. Alright guys, so that is my